Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to block someone on TikTok. So all we need to do is go into TikTok right here, and then say if we want to block this account right here, all we need to do is go into their profile, and then we go on to the top right. So it's as if we're sharing something, but we also have that option to block them right here at the bottom, as you can see right here. And then once you're happy to block them, just go ahead and block. You can also do this on not just on anyone else, but this can be on your friends as well. So all you need to do is, just go to your followers right here. So you have their account, and then again, share something, click on the block at the bottom right here, and then unblock them. And there you go. If you want to unblock them, then it's as easy as just clicking unblock, and then you have unblocked them right now. So of course you would be not following them anymore, so just go ahead and follow them back if you are following them. And there you go. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. We will see you guys next time.